My Facebook ads ROAS is skyrocketing. All you need to do is just copy me because I'm a developer who figured Facebook ads better than y'all. Just kidding. Let me show you what I mean. I'm on Reddit today and I saw this. A lot of people complain about Facebook ads not working. This guy is saying ROAS is skyrocketing. I'm a full stack developer and I built an e-commerce site by myself. I said bought up pixel and copy and tested for a month. So this guy, he's a developer. He knows what he's doing. Let's see if a developer knows Facebook ads better than us, better than me. I strongly doubt it, but maybe better than you. I don't know. If you cannot watch a 10-minute video on how to fix your ROAS on Facebook ads, you don't deserve any results, so move. Go watch something else. This is for the serious people. Anyway, this guy says, previous results, click rate 2.1, conversion rate 3%, AOV $20. ROAS unstable, started with 400 and dropped to 0, lost 300 after 2 weeks. Now, click rate 3.2, conversion rate 7.6, AOV 30. ROAS stable, started with 50 in the first day, 100, 150, and now 500%. I did almost everything I could do. Change ad types, content, product descriptions, and now it works in the market. Finally, sales are getting bigger day by day. Here's what he learns. This is what he learned. Ad does not drive business. Business should stand alone and ad helps. Business decision is the most important. Instagram is a place where audiences are, and ad does not guarantee if you spend X amount of money, X sales, not a silver bullet. If you make something people want, everything is easy. Else, you're going to blame the algorithm, system, elections. So basically, what is this guy saying? This guy is saying that Facebook ads won't help you solve your business problem. If you cannot get clients, if you cannot get enough customers, Facebook ads is not the solution. Probably the solution is somewhere within your business. And I strongly agree with this guy. This guy is a developer. I'm gonna say that. Do not try to pour large amounts in short periods of time to make money. Spend affordably, daily budget goes steady. Yeah, if you're just starting out, if you have never spent more than like 10K per day on ads, don't go crazy. You're gonna burn a lot of money running Facebook ads. I don't care how smart you are. I don't care if you're a developer. I don't care if you're an astronaut. I don't care if you're a genius. You're always gonna waste money on Facebook ads. There is always a better way to spend your money. And what's the best way? I know the way. Just click in the link. Just click the links in the description below. Garbage in, garbage out. Meta ad system runs by data science. It doesn't know your products like a human being. If a price or description or somewhere the customers do not feel they have to purchase and leave, Meta system figure out audiences with very limited data source. Higher chance to go for wrong audience and drains your money. Finally, where the bottleneck is and solve it. It can be creative system, product description, checkout page, site load speed, etc. etc. So this is what this guy is saying. And he's not giving a bad advice for sure. The advice is very, very sane. And this guy says, a good programmer can make for a great advertiser, but a great advertiser cannot make a good programmer. If I'm a great advertiser, why do I need to become a good programmer? Think about it. People who made the most money are great marketers and great advertisers, right? For example, if you go and if you open like a lot of people, they're not even like good programmers, right? But they're great marketers because they can come up with a product they can sell. They can sell. For example, Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, they're not great programmers, but they're great marketers. You know, they're amazing, amazing marketers and business people. I don't say marketing itself is the solution. What I say is that no matter what you do, you should know how to sell your product. And this is just the basic idea. Even though I'm a marketer, I love this statement as when I was working closely with a programmer. My life was a hell from working with him, but the knowledge and the analysis I learned from him is priceless. Even today. Let's see, something's happening. Somebody's changing my meetings. Okay, so what do I think? What do I think? This is a decent advice, right? This is very decent advice. I think this advice is very basic for me. I know some of you wanna hear the ninja stuff, but I think this developer is giving a very sane advice. Facebook ads are not for everybody. Programming is not for everybody. So this is what is this guy saying. I'm not sure if is this guy exchange beneficial. Another guy, I'm gonna read the comment because it sounds very scientific. It seems very scientific. Sounds good, but as well sounds like if you just started. Yeah, this say beginner advice. I agree. This say beginner advice. If it's something, if somebody's like probably a Facebook ads master, he won't be on Reddit. Or maybe some people are bored and they're on Reddit. I'm not sure. I'm on Reddit. Sometimes I like Reddit. I feel like Reddit is the one of the few places where you can get to see the opinions of real people. Whenever I go on Google search or like YouTube, like it seems like all the content is just like all my searches are irrelevant. They're boring. They're just trying to sell me stuff. So I want to read opinion of people. Like I want to read actual opinion. And Reddit is the last place on earth you could do that, right? Or this is at least how I feel. I haven't watched a documentary on Reddit and how they try to control the mass media and the mass mind. However, after spending around 250k over the last 2 years on meta ads for a very unique product we created ourselves and you cannot get anywhere else, I would propose you wait a full year or even more before you take any of you learned rules, strategies for granted. We had periods of massive success and periods of massive frustrations with almost every strategy we tried. You can have great product, great offer, and great ads if the algorithm decides to show your ads to the wrong people from day one. Yeah, I also agree with this guy. So whenever somebody is trying to give advice, I don't have anything against it because different people are into their different journey. For example, a developer who reads this post and who is just figuring it out, who is just starting, might find it like very, very valuable. And if this guy reads like your AOV is like $20 or $30, how can you make any money of that? So it depends. It depends. I'm all for like sharing your advice, but also share your experience, share your journey, which this guy did. So there is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay, there is like a lot of discussion, and this guy says, "Whoa, these results are impressive. I love how you point out ads aren't a magic fix. However, ads are a magic fix if you have a good product. If you have a superior product or superior service, ads is kind of like, I'm gonna show. It's kind of like pouring oil into a burning fire. Yeah, so I'm gonna show the image. This is what happens when you pour oil into a burning fire. I'm not sure if you can see the image, but this is it. It's just like it explodes. It explodes. And this thing will skyrocket your ad account. This is another image. If you pour oil into a burning fire, just like the flames go all over your room. So don't set yourself on fire. It's dangerous. Facebook ads are dangerous. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know what you're doing. Okay, let me switch it up. Let me switch up the view. This is the video for today. My name is Niko. This is the only Facebook ads channel where I go to the internet. I see what other people are doing. I give my expert opinion because I'm the best Facebook ads guru out there, regardless of what they say. If you want some bullshit advice, this is not the channel for you. You can go watch any other business channel out there. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch all my videos in order. And I'm gonna stop the recording now. Are you subscribed?